Hi viewers, welcome to Bangles. Today I am going to show you how to make a single simple designer bangle. Let's start. Take 4 bangles of thin size. Apply glue at the corner of one bangle and paste the other bangle on the top. Again apply glue on the second bangle corner. Paste the third bangle at the top of second bangle. Again paste apply glue and paste a fourth bangle. Now we have pasted 4 bangle. After it got dried, apply glue inside and paste the thread and wrap it all over the bangle tightly. I have taken here blue color thread and I have wrapped 30 to 35 strands of thread. Wrap on both the sides, leaving 3 to 4 centimeter gap. Apply glue at the corner of a leaved space area. After applying a glue, paste a sandal color thread, and this is 30 to 35 strands of thread I have taken. Wrap it on the balance area. Now after wrapping, cut at the end and paste it. And now we have wrapped a bangle. Take the center part of sandal color thread wrapped, apply glue at the center and paste white color pearl chain, small size pearl chain. After pasting, cut at the end. And now on the left side, again apply glue and paste gold color ball chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Now again paste gold color ball chain. On the right side similarly apply glue and paste gold ball chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Similarly have pasted 2 lines of ball chain. Third line, apply glue and paste white color stone chain. Cut at the end after pasting. Now similarly on the right side, apply glue and paste white color stone chain. After pasting, cut at the end. Now on the right side apply glue and paste white color stone chain again, 2 lines of ball chain and second line of stone chain. Similarly on the we are pasting third line, again stone chain, and now on the left side apply glue and paste again 2 lines of stone chain. Again stone chain, And now on the left side, apply a glue and paste gold color ball chain at the corner. After pasting, cut at the end extra balls and paste it. Again another line of ball chain. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Similarly on the right side, paste 2 lines of ball chains. First apply a glue and paste first line of ball chain. Ball chain, last line, cut at the end after pasting. That's it. And this we have made a bangle. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe, Rebels.